Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for more updates. 8 and iPhone 8 Plus Product Red Special Edition models are available to order tomorrow ahead of launch this Friday, and there's a new ad promoting these devices. It's available from Apple's website but not via its YouTube channel yet, so I went ahead and uploaded the 30-second video clip to my personal YouTube for you guys to enjoy. I could be wrong, but this might be the first Product Red ad for iPhone. For those wondering, Apple has donated more than $160 million to the Global Fund since 2006. How do you like this Apple commercial? Let us know your thoughts about the new iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus Product Red Special Edition models by leaving your comment down below. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for more updates. Special Edition Color. This doesn't completely rule out extra colors, but we wouldn't count on them. Apple is pursuing a familiar strategy for device makers. It's rolling out new color options to put its hardware back in the spotlight and entice buyers who wanted livelier options. It's not going to have the same effect as introducing a brand new iPhone, but it might rekindle enough interest to keep sales steady until the usual fall refresh. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for more updates.